back to our channel, and if today is the first time here, hello, my name is Mimi, and in today's upload I'll be talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been the most talked about investment since its existence in 2010. It has made a lot of people rich. It has also rendered quite a number of people poor because they are uneducated about the investment they have made. Now, the whole idea of this video is to educate you if you choose to make an investment in Bitcoin, or if you choose not to make an investment in Bitcoin. It will be in 4 parts. 1 will be what is Bitcoin and what makes it so popular. 2, is Bitcoin legal? 3, are cryptocurrencies a good investment? And 4, how do you buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies for that matter? So guys, if this is the content you're looking for, please hit the bell notification just so you don't miss out anytime I post a new video. And please give me a thumbs up because it's free and it also motivates me to keep bringing you these contents. Now, before we dig right into it, this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be treated as a financial advice. Bitcoin is simply money that has been converted into digital. Okay, it's the biggest, most well-known, and the most talked about of all cryptocurrencies. Now, for you to understand cryptocurrency, you need to first understand money. Money is an agreed upon store of value accepted by everyone as a form of payment. Money in itself doesn't hold any value. However, back in the day, one could exchange money for gold. But today, money is not backed by anything. The only thing that makes money valuable is the fact that we have all agreed and accepted it as a form of payment. The problem with money is, if you send money overseas, you are charged exchange fees. If you choose to send again overseas, you are often hit with more exchange fees. Another problem with money is centralized. Money is controlled by the government in central bank. This means that with dollars or any other currencies, you are entirely at the whim of their choices. So if they choose to print some more money and devalue it, you rarely have a say, and your hard-earned money in the bank gets eaten away. But the great thing about Bitcoin is it solves all these problems. Bitcoin is decentralized. You don't have to rely on one central bank ledger of keeping track of everyone's money, which none of us can see. With Bitcoin, every computer that participates keeps a copy of the ledger. So it's basically impossible to bring down the system because you'd have to take down every computer that kept a copy of the ledger. Which brings us to the question number 2. Is Bitcoin legal? There is no question that Bitcoin is legal in the United States, although China has banned their use. In Ghana, where I am from, Bitcoin hasn't been legalized yet. So ultimately, whether Bitcoin is legal depends on each individual country. So guys, let's do a little house cleaning. If you're still watching me, it means you're enjoying my video or you're curious. Please do hit the bell notification so you get updated anytime I post a new video. And also give me the thumbs up because it's free and I need the motivation to keep going. Thank you. Cryptocurrencies may go up in value, but most investors see this as mere speculation and not real investment. The reason? Just like real currencies, cryptocurrencies generate no cash flow. And for you to profit, one has to pay more than you did. And that's what's called the greater fool theory of investment. So contrast that to a well-managed business that increases its value over time by growing its profitability and cash flow of the operation. So guys, this is entirely your decision to make. While some of the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are available for purchase with the US dollar, others require that you pay with Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. Now in Ghana, you can actually buy Bitcoin with mobile money or from your bank account. So guys, let me pause here and chip in this. If you want me to do a video on how to buy Bitcoin in Ghana from mobile money or from your bank account, do put it in the comment section and I'll actually do that. Because it's quite very simple to buy Bitcoin in Ghana. Generally, you create an account on an exchange and then you can transfer real money to buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Coinbase is one popular trading exchange where you can create both a wallet and buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So guys, I know this is a lot, okay? But if you have any questions concerning cryptocurrencies in general, Bitcoin, do put it in the comment section and I'll make sure to read and then respond to all of them, because guys, we are building this channel together, okay? So if this content has been helpful, then please hit the bell notification so you get updated when I post a new video. And do not forget the thumbs up. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, because guys, it's free and it motivates me to keep bringing you these content.